Hello student. In the previous lecture we have studied how to write 4-digit number, how to read 4-digit number, how to write 5-digit number, how to read 5-digit number. We are introducing to a 4 and 5-digit number. Means when we are introducing a 5-digit number, we are getting a new place before the 100 is 1000, and when we are looking into a 5-digit number, we are getting a new place, that is 10,000 before the 1000 place. So how the places are present? You need 10, 100, 10,000, 1000 and 10,000. So in this video we are looking the expanded form of a number, how to expand a given number. So in this section there are different types of question may be asked. So we are looking one sample question, that is write down the following number in the expanded form. They are giving you a number and you have to expand a given number. Look at this number. This is at, how we read this number? This is a 4-digit number, means obviously 1000 place is present. We are putting a place. You need 10, 100, 1000. So how we read? 7,545. So when we write the expanded form of the number, look at this first number. We have to start writing the expanded form from the our left side. So the number 7, which is at which place? 1000 place, means which indicate 7,000. So we are writing here 7,000. After the number is 5, which is at 100 place, which indicate 500. So we are writing here plus. After 7,000 we are putting an addition sign, then we are writing a 500. Third digit, that is 4, which is at 10 place, means 410 means 40. So we are putting addition sign here, and after that we are writing 40. Then put addition sign and then write down the last digit is unit place, which is single present. So likewise you can expand the given number by their place values. There is another simple method or shortcut method to write the expanded form. What we have to do? Take the first number. Yes, I am taking first number 7. Then count how many numbers are present after this 7. 1, 2, 3. So write 3 zeros after this 1, 2 and 3. Then I am writing addition sign. Next number is 5. Yes, I am writing 5. Then how many digits are present after 5? 1, 2. So yes, I am putting 2 zeros. Addition sign. Next is number 4. Yes, I am writing 4. After this, how many digit? Only single digit. So we are putting only a single 0. That is 4040 plus last digit is 5. Yes, I am writing a digit 5. And there is no any digit after the last digit, unit place digit. So I am not writing 0. So likewise you can write the expanded form of a given number. Look at this second example, which is a 5-digit number, means 10,000 places added. So how we read this number? 20,375. So when we writing the expanded form of a number, the 2, which is at 10,000 place, means we represent 20,000. So we are writing 20,000. At 1000 place it is 0. So put addition sign and then write 0 as it is. No need to write a value of this 1000. 0,000 means single 0. Next is digit 3, which is as 100 place, which indicate 300. So we are writing 300. Again plus sign, addition sign. Then is 7, which is at 10 place, which indicates 70. So we are writing 70. And last is 5, which is at unit place, single digit. Likewise we can write the expanded form of a number. Another way, how we write 2. Yes, we are writing 2. how many digit present? 1 2 3 4. So I am writing 1 2 3 4 0. Put addition sign. After that number is 0. Yes, no need to write 0 0 0 again, only single 0. Then number is 3. After that how many digit? 1 0 1 and 2. So I am writing 2 0 after 3. Number is 7. Next number is 7. After that how many digit? Single digit. So I am writing 0 here. Plus last is 5. And there is no need to write 0 because there is no digit after the 5. Likewise, you can expand the given number. There is another question may be asked based on the expanded form. What they may ask? Yeah, given you a expanded form and they ask you to form a number. Read the question, write down the number from their expanded form. They are giving you a expanded form of a number and we have to write the number. So we know there are 1 2 3. We are looking 4 digit, means how the 4 digit form? Unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place. Thus I am writing 1 2 3 4 digit are there in the given number because we are looking 1 2 3 4 in the addition format. So that look at the first, it is 4000. 4000 means which is present at 1000 place, that is 4. Next is 500 which means at 100 place, that is 5. 20 means which is at 10 place, 2. And 8 is at unit place. So likewise, what is this number? 4528. Likewise, complete. We will see the next example. How many digits we can see? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Means it is a 5 digit number, means 10,000 places added, 1000, 100, 10 and unit. Means we are taking 1 2 3 4 5 digit. What is the first? Given 80,000. 80,000 means which is 8 is present at 1000 place. Next is 7,000 means which is at 1000 place, that is 7. This is 600 means 6 is at 100 place. 50 means which is at 10 place and 4 is at unit place. So what is the number? 87,654. That is, this is the number 4500. This is 87,654. Now look at the third example. We are seeing 4 digits, that is means 1000, 100, 10 and unit. But look at the first digit which is given, which is a 1 2 3 4 5 digit, means we are also having a 10,000 place. What is this? 90,000. 90,000 means which is at 10,000 place. Next is 700. So at 700 place it is 7. At 100 place it is 7. Next is 80. 80 means 10 digit number, that is at 10 place it is 8. 1 is at unit place. Can you see 1000 place here? No, I cannot see. So put 0 into 1000 place. So what is the number? 90,781. If any place is absent in the given number, you have to put 0 on that place. Look at this fourth example. We can see first digit given is 1 2 3 4 5, means we also have in answer it is a 5 digit number. So first is 5 digit number which is read as 80,000, means we have to put 8 at 10,000 place. Next is 2 digit number which is a 10 place number, that is 90. We are put 9 at the 10 place. And next is 2 which is unit place number. So in this number 1000 place is absent and 100 place. So we have to put 0 on 1000 and 100 place. So how we read this number? 80,092. Likewise, you can make a number by the given expanded form. And if there is no places present, then you have to put 0. Sometimes there is another question, maybe ask, read the question. Some digits and their places are given below form the number. There is a places are given. We know places, that is unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. So their places of the number is given and we have to make a number. Look at the first example. It is 8, which is at 10,000 place, 6 is at 1000 place, 2 at 100 place, 3 at 10 place, and 4 at unit place. We know how to arrange the places: unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Look at into exam. At 10,000 place, which is number? 8 says I am putting 8. 1000 place, 6, so we are putting 6 here. At 100 place, number is 2, yes I am putting 2 at 100 place. At 10 place, number 3, yes I am putting number 3. At unit place, it is number 4, yes I am putting number 4. So how we write this 5-digit number? As a 86,234. Look at the second example. It is given 100 place, it is 9. At 10,000 place, it is 8, and at unit place, it is 5. So we are arranging up places: unit place, 10 place, 100, 10,000, and 1000 and 10,000. So look at the first number, that is 100, which is how many 100? 9. So at 100 place, we are putting 9. After that, at 10,000 place, they tell us put 8. So we are putting 8 at 10,000. At unit place, number is 5. So yes, I am putting 5 at unit place. There is a term 1000 and 10 are 10 place are absent. So we are putting 0 on that place. So what is the total number formed by these given places? 80,905. 80,905. If the places are absent, we have to put 0. Next concept is place value. What is meant by place value? The place of a digit in a given number determine the value of that digit. Look at this example. In this example, each digit have its own place. That is 5 it at unit place, then its value is 5. And 0 is at 10 place, yes, its value is 0. 9 is at 100 place, its value is 900. So likewise, we have to write the place value of the given number. So place value determine the value of the digit on that place. If it is at 10 place, then it is in a, if the number is present at 10 place, then means it is, for example, at 10 place it is 4, then value of that place value of that digit is 40. If it is at 100 place, then the value of that digit in present in 100. If it is at 1000 place, means the value of that digit is in 1000. So likewise, read this question. This type of question may be asked. Write down the place value of an underlined digit. In they are giving you a digit and underline in the given number, and they ask you to find out the what is the place value of that digit. So what is this number? 3268, and they underline the digit 2. So we are putting the places. Yes, I am writing the places: unit, 10, 100, and 2 is at 100 place. So its value is 200. Now tell in the next example, what is the number? 81,789. We have to write it place: 10, unit, 10, 100, 1000, and 10,000. Look at the underlined number is 1, which is at which place? 1000 place, which is how we read it as a 1000. So what is the place value of it is 1000. Next, the number is 8, which is at 10 place. So what is the value of this is 80. What is the value of place value of 8 is 80 in that given number. And look at the last number. All the little digits are same, 444. It is a 44,444. So what is the value of this 4, which is at which place? This 4 is at unit place, this 4 is at 10 place, this is at 100, 1000, 10,000. So what is this? 40,000. Or there is a one shortcut method, 4. Yes, we are writing 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. We get its place value, that is a 40,000. So likewise, we can solve a question based on the expanded form of a given number and their place value. Thank you.